Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we're diving into 10 lesser-known free Windows apps that can significantly enhance your daily computing experience. While Windows comes with a set of default applications, many users find them lacking in features or customization options. That's where these hidden gems come in. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, personalize your desktop, or streamline your workflow, these apps have got you covered. These apps are approachable for anyone, not just power users. So let's dive in. Number 1. BreeZip RAR and Zip Extractor. If you've ever struggled with extracting compressed files, BreeZip is here to simplify the process. This lightweight app supports a wide range of formats, including zip, RAR, tar, and 7Z. With its intuitive interface, you can easily drag and drop files for quick extraction. BreeZip also offers encryption options, ensuring your sensitive data remains secure. Say goodbye to complicated extraction processes and hello to BreeZip's user-friendly experience. What makes BreeZip stand out is its fast performance and minimal impact on your system resources. It's perfect for anyone who frequently downloads files or shares compressed folders, but doesn't want to wrestle with complicated software. Number 2. WindowTop. Tired of juggling overlapping windows? WindowTop lets you pin in any window on top, make it transparent, or resize it without using mouse drags. It enhances the default always-on-top toggle, which only works for taskbar items. Now, say you're watching a YouTube tutorial in one corner while taking notes in Word, WindowTop ensures nothing gets buried behind other apps. It's lightweight, smooth, and instantly boosts multitasking. Plus, its Transparency 2 tool is ideal if you want to monitor a progress bar or chat window without blocking your view. Number 3. Flamshot. Taking screenshots on Windows is possible with the snipping tool, but Flamshot offers a much richer experience. It's a free, open-source app with intuitive annotation tools built right into the capture process. This means after you take a screenshot, you can quickly highlight areas, add text, blur sensitive info, or draw arrows, all without opening another program. Flameshot's simplicity makes it perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone who frequently shares screenshots. It also supports uploading images directly to various services, speeding up the sharing process. Plus, its customization options let you adjust shortcuts and interface colors to suit your preferences, making it a flexible and powerful upgrade over the basic Windows tools. Number 4. Screenbox VC Media Player. Screenbox modernizes the classic VC media player with a sleek interface that fits Windows 11's aesthetic. It retains all the essential features of VC while offering a visually updated experience. For those seeking more customization and control than the default Windows apps like Photos or Films and TV provide, Screenbox is a great alternative. And while Windows default apps like Photos and Films and TV are serviceable, they don't quite match the level of customization or control that a dedicated media player like Screenbox can provide. Number 5. Audacity. Audacity is a powerful yet beginner-friendly audio editor that's perfect for anyone interested in recording, editing, or enhancing sound. While Windows includes basic audio playback, it lacks any real editing tools. Audacity fills this gap by offering a free platform to record podcasts, create voiceovers, or clean up audio files with ease. Its user interface is straightforward, with drag-and-drop support and clear options for cutting, trimming, and applying effects. Whether you want to remove background noise or combine multiple audio clips, Audacity makes the process simple without overwhelming users with technical jargon. It's a must-have app for those who want to get creative with audio or improve the sound quality of recordings for work, school, or fun. Number 6. Microsoft PC Manager. Keeping your computer running smoothly is essential, and Microsoft PC Manager helps you do just that. This all-in-one optimization tool scans your system for issues, cleans up unnecessary files, and manages startup programs to improve performance. It also provides real-time protection against potential threats, ensuring your system remains secure. Microsoft PC Manager is a reliable companion for maintaining your PC's health and performance. What's especially nice is the user-friendly dashboard that shows your PC's health at a glance. Plus, it runs quietly in the background, so you don't have to worry about manual maintenance or complicated settings. Number 7. PotPlayer. Windows Media Player is functional but basic. PotPlayer is a powerful alternative that supports nearly every video and audio format. It includes customizable subtitles, playback speed controls, and even screen capture options, all wrapped in a sleek and modern interface. Despite its advanced features, PotPlayer remains user-friendly, so casual viewers can enjoy smooth video playback without confusion. The app is also lightweight, meaning it won't slow your system down even when playing high-definition videos. If you want a media player that does more without complexity, PotPlayer is definitely worth trying. Number 8. Wintoys is a utility app that brings a collection of useful tools to your fingertips. From a system monitor to a clipboard manager, Wintoys offers features that can enhance your productivity. The app's clean interface ensures that you can access these tools quickly and efficiently. Wintoys is perfect for users who want to have a suite of utilities readily available without cluttering their desktop. Among its handy features are quick window snapping, clipboard history, and a mini calendar, all accessible with just a few clicks. It's like having a toolbox open at all times, helping you breeze through daily computer tasks. Number 9. Break Timer. Break Timer replaces the default refresh your brain reminder you never set up. This tiny app sits quietly in your system tray, gently nudging you to take micro breaks, stretch your legs, rest your eyes, drink water, or just breathe. You choose the timing, duration, and even the days it's active, so it fits into your lifestyle. Its simple prompts are perfect for anyone who loses track of time in meetings, gaming, or deep focus work. Over weeks, those short breaks help prevent fatigue, tension, and burnout. It's simple, non-intrusive, and makes your workday a bit more human. No guilt, no pressure, just reminders to be kind to yourself. It also keeps a log of your breaks, so you can see how well you're sticking to your schedule. The reminders can be subtle or full screen, depending on your preference. Number 10, FileLight. FileLight is a lightweight yet powerful utility for Windows that offers a visual and interactive way to explore your storage. Unlike the default storage management options in Windows Settings or File Explorer, FileLight provides a unique and intuitive method for understanding the size of your files and folders. Upon launching FileLight, you can choose to scan your home folder, an entire drive, or a specific folder. The scan results are displayed using a concentric ring graph on the right side of the screen, while the left side lists all the files and folders. Each segment of the ring graph represents the size of a folder or subfolder, making it easy to spot which areas are using the most space. The interactive nature of the tool sets it apart. As you click through folders on the left, the graph on the right dynamically updates, showing a visual breakdown of each folder's size. You can hover over specific segments of the graph to get more detailed information, and clicking on any segment opens the corresponding folder for further exploration. This makes it easy to drill down into your folder structure and manage your files more effectively. Overall, FileLight is a super handy and visually intuitive tool that should definitely be on your radar if you like having a clearer picture of your storage situation. It's simple, efficient, and offers a fresh way to interact with your file system. Got a favorite tweak you want to see covered in detail? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.